Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and this week I am showing you guys what I got in the ChickAdvisor Showcase Goodie Bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I went there just the past weekend, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably should, so I'm going to put all the information down here. So make sure you go follow me, as I'm always updating that page with like more up-to-date information, and it's just sooner than when I finally get to filming a YouTube video about everything. So make sure you go follow me along on Instagram. But as mentioned, today I'm showing you what I got in the goodie bag, as I know everyone's always so curious about what do you get in these goodie bags? Are the products good? Do I like them? Should I go buy them? All of that type of information. So I'm going to show you everything that I got in the goodie bag and my personal opinions on it. But also stay tuned, because at the end of this video, you might have a chance to win everything that's in this bag. So stay tuned to the very end, as I'm going to share some details about how you can win this goodie bag. Without further ado, let's just get into it and let's see what's in this bag. But first, we're going to have some tea, which, by the way, is a product that's in this bag. It's like lemon ginger. Because if you can't tell right now, I'm getting like sick. It's always like the change of seasons. So like I'm getting that like man voice right now, and it's just not fun. So lemon ginger tea, I feel like always helps. I don't know if it's just like a mind thing or it really helps, but I'm going to go with it. The first item that we reviewed at the ChickAdvisor Showcase was Canada Dry Club Soda, the pomegranate cherry flavor. And I could just be biased, but I am obsessed with club soda or sparkling water, anything of that kind of sort. So I instantly fell in love with all these products. The pomegranate cherry is a very sweet flavor. I love it. There's also the orange mandarin, as well as, what is this one? Lemon lime. I probably say the lemon lime is my favorite, just because I like those lighter type of flavors. And let's be honest, you add a little something something to these, it tastes pretty good. They're even cold right now. I had to pull them out of my fridge to like do this video, because as soon as I got home, I put them in the fridge so I could start drinking them. But also kind of hid them from Adam, because if he found them, he would drink them. And I only got 3 of them before I have to go buy a new case. So I'm gonna drink these fast and then go buy a whole case. The next product at the showcase was the NEUTROGENA Hydro Boost Multivitamin Booster. Say that 5 times fast. But this is a very hydrating product, which I instantly found. We just got to test it on our hands, as I had makeup on, so I couldn't really put on my face during the event. But even the difference I found on my 2 hands from the one that I rubbed it in on was amazing. It's super hydrating. It doesn't have that oily feel to it, so it's a great product, and it really helps bring out like that glow in your face. So it's perfect for going into the fall and winter, because we all know we're going to get some dry skin. So this is definitely a product that you want to keep handy. Next up was Bio Oil, which is another great product to use for fall and winter for your skin. They even mentioned at the event that keeping this little trial one, which they also gave us, in your purse or just somewhere handy throughout the fall and winter, is good for any parts of your skin that's dry throughout the colder seasons, even around like your hairline if you get some dry skin there. It's just really good to have on hand. It's super tiny, and it's just easy to bring around anywhere that you need to go. And it also helps to improve any uneven skin tone, stretch marks, and any scars. And I've just started using this product on a regular basis, so I can't give you I guess my full review on if it did work or not, but I know from people at the event, they did tell me that they have been using it on stretch marks and different scars on their skin, and they have definitely seen a reduce in the appearance of them. So definitely a good product to keep on hand, and I love these. So thank you for this product. Next up is TEAPIGS. This is such a cool product. I learned about them, I think, about a year ago now, and they just have such good flavors. Like I mentioned before, I am having the lemon ginger right now, which is in my teacup, because I'm starting to feel a little sick and under the weather, just with the season changing and everything. So I made a cup of this when I got home from work, and it's just really helping just bring like all that warmth into your body. And the lemon and ginger, like I said at the beginning, I feel like it just helps. It helps you feel better. So definitely a good one to have, as well as they gave us peppermint leaves, which is a great tea as well. I love having peppermint after a meal, so I usually have this at work and have it after my lunch. And then as well as English breakfast tea, which of course is a morning one because you need your caffeine, girl. So this is definitely one you want. The next product that we got to review was Nude by Nature. So they gave us 3 different items. This is the Natural Glow Loose Bronzer, which is so super cool. It has a little sifter in it, so you don't get a lot of product onto your brush or any tool that you're using, which I find with bronzer, if you get too much on your brush, like just like using like a normal powder that doesn't have, it's not loose, I find sometimes I get so much and then I just instantly look so much darker than I already am, and it just it's not a cute look. But they gave us this awesome brush, which I don't know if you guys know, but they told us so you don't throw away the bottom. So like you have this and then this little piece, you keep the bottom of this, and then it works as a stand. So if you have a whole bunch of other brushes, it's like a stand on your makeup case. You just have it all lined up, all nice and cute and perfect. Like, who would have thought? That's called some genius marketing ideas. Lastly, by Nude by Nature, we have the Touch of Glow Highlight Stick, which is great. Everybody loves a good highlight. So it comes in a stick, just like this. And a great tip is sometimes when you go just like with the stick on your face, it goes on too thick or just too much of the product. So a good tip is just using your finger and rubbing it on there, and then just rubbing onto the desired areas where you want a little glow. Next up is another great product for the fall and winter. I feel like they planned this really well. I mean, you got your tea, you got your hydrating products, you got a little bronzer that you're gonna need when your tan starts fading away from the summer. So they definitely thought about this well. But it's the EOS hydrating lip balm, and it comes in a stick form now, so it's not like that ball. And it is a strawberry flavor, which I wish you could smell this, guys. It is so good and just so easy to throw in your bag and put it in there and have it everywhere you go. Or like I like to do, I actually keep this in my little like side part in my car, like, you know, like this door handle, and then you have that little pocket. Some have like goes straight through, which sometimes it falls through, but mine has a little bowl type thing. So I always keep my lip balm in there. So as I'm driving, I always have one handy. So I'm probably gonna do that with this guy. Last but not least are Bobbi Brown lipsticks. These things are so cool. We all got to try, what was it, the rose one while we were all sitting at the tables together. And what was really cool is that this looked different on every single person. So some looked a little darker and lighter, but it all looked amazing on everybody, this is the one I have on right now as well. And I love it. It does go on, so there's a lot of product when you open it, like there's a lot on there. So I suggest just kind of like wiping it down and then applying it to your lips. But in a way that is good because then you're not using a lot of product. So one of these lipsticks is going to last you so long. So we got the Italian Rose 3. There's Red the News. And we have, what is this one? Camisole. That was the goodie bag for the ChickAdvisor Showcase event. I hope you guys like the products as much as I do. And now for the best part, the giveaway. So make sure you look down below in the description box for all the details on how you can win this prize pack for yourself. And believe me, you're not going to want to miss it. It is so good. And that is about it. So make sure you go look down below. Check out all the information, how to enter. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm off to drink more of my TEAPIGS tea. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.